If you've already used Nano Banana, you know it does a great job of combining two different images. For example, here are two 16:9 images that, when combined, the final image looks great. But if you try to blend images with different aspect ratios together, things may not cooperate. So in this video, we'll show you how to control the aspect ratio of images using Nano Banana. For example, let's upload one image that's 16:9 and another one that's completely square. Our first image is someone sitting on the ground with a 16:9 ratio. The second one is a square image of this dog, and it's 600:600. Next, we'll type this prompt into Nano Banana. Add the dog exactly as he appears from the second image next to the person sitting on the ground, aspect ratio 16:9. You can see Nano Banana did a really good job, but the problem is the final image isn't in a 16:9 ratio, even though we asked for it. This happens because Nano Banana uses the aspect ratio of the last image you uploaded, in our case, the square image. To fix this, you'll want to upload the square image first, then upload the 16:9 image. From there, it's just a matter of modifying the prompt to something like, place the dog from the first image exactly as it appears next to the person sitting on the ground in the second image. Keep the aspect ratio 16:9. As you can see, the final image looks much better. But let's say you tried all that and the image still doesn't look the way you want. So here's a hack you can use to get the final image proportioned properly. First, it's important to make sure you start a new chat, because if you don't, Nano Banana might pick up on the work you've already done. So it's best to start fresh. Next, upload the square image you want to resize. Then, here's the magic move. Upload a blank image with the aspect ratio you want to use. In this case, we'll upload a shape drawn in Canva with an aspect ratio of 16:9. Then, we'll add this prompt. Redraw image 1 onto image 2, matching image 2's aspect ratio of 16:9. Clear image 2's content entirely, leaving no blank areas. Go ahead and generate the image, and there you go. We get a nice combo image made from two different images with two different aspect ratios, formatted in a 16:9 final product. Now, it's important to mention that Nano Banana doesn't always cooperate, so you might need to generate the image a few times to get everything right. For example, the final image in this video took me a few attempts, so please be patient. And there you go. Now, here's another video.